Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. So this is going to be a fun and exciting video. I'm actually going to be packing to go to New York for a full week, which is going to be so much fun. I'm actually going for a work trip, so I've picked out some outfits that are like business casual, a little bit more on the casual side, but still a little work appropriate because I will be going into the office all week. I'm flying out in a few days and I'm so excited. Okay, so the last time I checked, the weather in New York kind of looked okay for the week. It looks like it's going to be like Monday and Tuesday are going to be a little more sunny, and then in the middle of the week it might rain a little bit. So I wanted to bring some things just in case there is rain, but I'm only bringing 2 pairs of shoes because I am only bringing a carry-on, I think, and a backpack, like nothing else. So the 2 pairs of shoes I'm going to be bringing are these new platform loafers I got from Rag & Co. I think they're so cute, very New York. I'm excited to be on the loafer gang. Finally, I bought these from Macy's on sale for like $50. Again, these are from Rag & Co. and I cannot wait to wear them. So most of the outfits I have planned are actually going to be styled around these. But again, like I said, I did say that I think it's gonna rain. I am gonna have my New Balance 550s with me just in case because they're comfortable to walk in, and I also would be okay walking in the rain in them if it did come to that, and it would style well with most of the outfits as well. Okay, let me organize my outfits and then I wanna show you what I'm gonna wear. Okay, so one of the styles I saw when I was looking up what I wanted to wear in New York is just a nice long sundress with some black loafers. So I do just have this dress that I'm gonna pack. It's super long and I'm just gonna style this with my loafers, and that's going to be one of the first outfits that I'm gonna have. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna wear this one, but I wanted something easy to throw on that I know I'll like just in case one of the other outfits doesn't work out. I also have some inspo pics that I'll put up here of what I was going for with this look, but I want to go with like New Yorker, like I live there, even though I know I'm a tourist and I'm just visiting, but I want to look like I belong there, which I think will be it was a lot of fun to come up with these outfits. The next one after that, I love a vest skirt moment. I thought this would be a perfect outfit to wear my loafers with. I wore a similar outfit when I went to Paris with a turtleneck and black boots, and I can just repurpose sort of the same stuff. So I just have this black skirt that I really like to wear. It looks good on me. This is the base of the outfit. And then I would just put this white t-shirt on top. And then I have this little sweater vest. It's like a mint color from 00 that I really like, and it looks super cute. So I would just put it over top of the white shirt, so you see the white sleeves, but it'll mostly be a little vest moment with the black skirt. And then my loafers, like how cute is that gonna be? I can just picture like the perfect Pinterest picture here with this, but that is going to be probably my favorite outfit that I came up with, but that is going to be one of the main outfits that I'm gonna wear. Next, I wanted to go with the classic like jeans and a button down. So I grabbed my blue jeans from a garage that I've gotten recently, and I'm gonna pair this with a couple of things, but this was the main outfit I was thinking. I'm gonna grab this pair of jeans and just wear a white button down. I just have a Tahari one that I got a while ago, and I'm literally just gonna button it and tuck it in. I will need to iron it before I do that, but this is the perfect like office look, and with loafers and potentially like my black leather jacket on, this could be a super cute New York outfit. One of the inspiration pictures, which I'll put here, is exactly this outfit, and I wanted to copy it exactly. The next outfit I wanted to do sort of base it around my leather jacket I have. So I just have these American Eagle like baggy jeans with holes in them. They are a light wash. I love these jeans. They're so comfortable. So I'm packing these, and then on top I'm just gonna throw on this cotton on tank top that I have. This style of tank top is so in right now, and I think it'd be super cute, and it'll be appropriate. So I'm gonna put that on top. And then the star of the show with this one is going to be my pleather jacket from Cider. I figure on top of this, it could look so cool, very New York, very like I live there, and be good for the office. And then of course I will be wearing my loafers. Again, with any of these outfits, my sneakers will be interchangeable, hopefully, but I won't have room to pack more than maybe one other pair of shoes, and it can't be like boots or anything. All right, so the next thing I'm going to bring is I'm going to bring this long jean skirt from Universal Thread. I haven't really gotten to wear this since the reason I bought it, but I wanted to incorporate it in my style, and I feel like it could look really cute with loafers. So I just have this light wash skirt, which I have two options to pair with this. I might pair it with this little sort of sweater vest sort of situation that I have. It's a cream color, it has a little collar, super cute, it's comfortable. I like where it hits me when I'm wearing pants or a skirt like that. So I think it would be a good option, but I have been wearing a lot of neutral tones this trip, so I wanted to add in the possibility of wearing like this cotton on striped shirt on top of it. It'll be more of a casual look, but I think it would look really cute. And then I also could throw the loafers on the bottom, of course, wear my loafers, and then with my pleather jacket, like it could be a cool look with like the stripes of this shirt, and it'll add a little pop of color. So I wanted to bring it as an option just in case, just to have it, because I might get sick and tired of all these neutral colors. I also wanted to wear either of the pair of jeans that I have with like a white t-shirt and a leather jacket moment. I saw that picture on Pinterest as well and really liked it, but it might be a little too much white. But for that, so I have the inspiration just in case, I might wear this white Poison little t-shirt. I love the little imagery on it. I think this would look really, really cool with some jeans, and again, like my pleather jacket and my loafers. I think that could be a really cool outfit. Again, I'm sort of like repeating the same outfit over and over again, so I don't know if I will actually end up wearing this, but I wanted the option because I actually really, really love this shirt. And I think it would look cool with that sort of outfit. And then another option, of course, is a pair of my jeans with this orange tank top that I recently got thrifting. It's from Coldwater Creek. I love the color, and it's super like business casual. I actually think it would look really good for a day in the office. So I am gonna bring that just in case, and it'll look good with the loafers as well. Again, I'm basing all of these around my loafers, so I am gonna be bringing this tank top as well. And again, it would just pair with one of the jeans. And then as an extra bottom, because I don't know if I want to wear just jeans the whole time and I only have the one black skirt available with me, I am gonna bring these brown corduroy slacks from Laura that I love. They're so comfortable and they're cute, and I think I could really make a moment with this and any of the shirts that I'm bringing and the loafers. Mixing black and brown is so big right now, so I think that I could wear the black loafers with the brown corduroy pants and they could still be cute. It would be good for a rainy day where it might be a little bit cooler, and again, they are comfortable. So I'm gonna bring these just in case as well. I have a lot of just in case outfits, but I think I can get it all to fit. And then you saw I will be bringing my pleather jacket from Cider, but I'm also just going to be bringing this tan jacket. It's like a boucle a little bit. I just wanted another jacket option just in case. I don't want to be wearing the black leather jacket again, and if it rains, this one has a hood. So I will be packing this one as well. Yeah, I think that's it. I need to grab like pajamas, but besides that, I think I'm gonna be good, and I need to decide what will be wearing to the airport. So let me grab my gym jams and add that to the pile, and then we'll get packing. Okay, I just grabbed one pair of pajamas. They're my little Taylor Swift Airs pajamas. They're gonna be so comfy. And then I am gonna be using my black Ted Baker bag just for the whole trip. It'll match with everything, and it's literally so cute. So that is done with most of that. Now I have to decide what sort of accessories that I want to bring. I've been filming this video and I'm literally staring at this giant black silk scrunchie. And how fun would it be to try to incorporate that into some sort of hairdo? So I'm thinking maybe I will bring this. And then I'm also thinking I want to bring these sunglasses. They just feel very cool. I don't know why they're pink tinted, but that's just the way they are. But I think these will be really, really cool. So I'm gonna bring these as well. And then I have a couple pairs of socks. I have some frilly ones to wear when I'm wearing my loafers. And then I just have some of my favorite Champion socks that I will wear if I'm wearing sneakers. Yeah, and I have a whole bunch of those. I just need to pack my makeup and my jewelry, and I need to figure out what I do want to do with my hair. I think I maybe want to bring a black bow, but yeah, let's get this stuff in this suitcase. This is what I'll be wearing to the airport. Everything fits and is mostly packed. I just need to put my makeup and my toiletries here, which they'll fit perfectly fine. And we are good to go. And I will see you in a few days when we head to the airport. Yay!